That's not necessarily true. Sometimes that we think that we're making a mistake and it's actually the best thing for us. So again, we want to talk about regret and forgiveness. If I can encourage you to not focus on the word regret, but focus on those things as far as lessons learned, whether they're small or minute. Yeah, you might think that you shouldn't have done something, or you shouldn't have said something, or you shouldn't have went to that place. And that's where we get the word regret, going, doing, and saying. However, changing that theory to a lesson learned is what we want to continue to build our focus on from this point forward. I thought that I had so many regrets in life. I thought that I had so many things that I just didn't do right. And as a result, it seemed like I was going through the same thing over and over again, attracting the same type of situation over and over and over again. And I can mostly speak on relationships because that's what I do best, is build relationships, whether they're friendships or more. You know, people grow into being a family at some point. And some of those relationships that I wanted to grow and nurture and be a part of, I could not. It was some I had to press pause. It was some I had to come back and reflect. And it was like, okay, what did I do that might have changed or shifted this environment or this relationship? So, I don't like drawing things out. I like to get to the point. Also, I know I have to set the tone and the atmosphere of this podcast to let you understand that you're not the only person that goes through these things and these transitions. And you're not the only one that has felt regret, because regret is just those things that we was like, oh my God, why did I do? Why did I say? Why did I go? Why did I love? Why did I support?